Welcome back to another vlog. I don't know what day we are in VLOGMAS right now, but we're still going. Today's vlog is all about, we're gonna do a little bit of organization, relaxing today. So I just got a mirror delivered for my room. I'm gonna set that up and then I'm gonna clean my closet. I'm gonna organize the fridge and then I'm gonna relax. I'm actually self-tanning right now, so I'm gonna leave this on for like another 2 hours and then I'll wash it off and do some like skincare. What else am I gonna do? And then I'm gonna do some editing, and yeah, that's all we have for today. I feel like I started my day so late, like so late. This looks crazy. Just eating an acai bowl right now. All right, let's set up the mirror. Add my chai. All right, let me show you guys the box first. I am gonna record this for TikTok. That's why I have this tripod light, so I'm gonna set that up. And yeah. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. It looks so good. It looks so good. Like, look at it. Matches perfectly with the frames. Something about the square, like rectangle look instead of the arch is just so much more minimal. Okay. I just have to clean it, obviously. All right, next task is the fridge. All right, so we're on our way. Stop at the grocery store. We're gonna get pesto, Tabasco, jalapenos, and avocado. And we should be good after that. Let's go. Okay, so I have all my ingredients here. I'm just going to make the tuna. Okay. I have multi-grain bread. Oh, here's the mayo. Mayo. I'm gonna put onions and black pepper into my tuna because that's how I like my tuna. So let me open up. I'm using the bumblebee. So I'm excited. I don't know how to make, I don't think the bread's gonna come out exactly the same because the bread is supposed to be sort of crispy. Okay, my audio should be better. I don't know if I can get the bread the same just because I don't know what kind of bread they use. I know it's multigrain. It definitely has like grains. It's brown, obviously. But just a little bit better now. Oh, and I also got pesto. The jalapenos. And and the avocado. I'm gonna use this one. Oh, and here's the Tabasco sauce. Obviously. Pretty standard. Take a video. I almost had it perfectly, but look how beautiful. That's what made the sandwich so good, was that the avocado was so thinly sliced. It was just the perfect proportion. If you hate mayo and you hate tuna, sorry. You can skip this part. I'm gonna take 2 slices. And I think I'm just going to like squeeze them together or something. And I did not look up how to do this. I did not see a video on how to make this, so I'm literally just, I don't know, I'm just figuring it out on my own. Perfect. Super thin now. But let's see. Okay, so I don't actually want it to be warm, so I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna put the pesto on like one side of it, because I don't think there was a lot of pesto. I don't think there should be a lot. I'm a little weird about pesto. This one smells really good though. Some tuna now. I'll put the tuna on the other side. Like this. I'm gonna squeeze it together. Super, super flat. I'm gonna try it. It's so good. It's so good. Highly recommend. The flatbread really adds a nice touch. So good. Thanks for cooking with Dej. Okay. All done eating. Next project is my fridge. Like, this is just embarrassing. This is embarrassing. I got my bins there. We're gonna be doing a little fridge organization, clean out, so. All right. I'm not gonna talk through this. It's just gonna be a montage, so. I got the trash bags ready, so cue the montage. Okay, so it's much later on in the night. I literally had to stop, edit a video, publish it, and then come back to this. And I'm not gonna lie, the kitchen is a mess. Dishes everywhere, trash everywhere. This is ridiculous, but I'm so glad I got it done. Actually crazy that it even looks like this. I've never seen my kitchen look like this. But anyway, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.